Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this full face of makeup using only products from Shein. Everything I'm using is under $10, which honestly sounds a little crazy for a full face. I've always wondered if Shein makeup is worth trying, so today we are putting it to the test. I'm starting off with the primer. The texture is actually really lightweight and smooth, and it gives my skin a nice base without feeling heavy. Next is foundation, and this is the product I'm usually most nervous about because finding the right shade is very important. And unfortunately, I would have to say that Shein needs to expand their deeper shade range because they don't have a lot of options right now on the website for darker skin tones. This was the closest match I found to me, and I've tried other foundations that match my skin way better than this, but it blended really well and I was able to make it work. Now I'm going in with some concealer to brighten my under eye, the center of my face, and my chin. This blends really easily, and the concealer has decent coverage. It was not overly thick. I was able to build it up without it looking cakey. It blended really well, and it worked with my other products like my blush and my contour. So I think this was actually one of their products that I liked best. Now for contour, I'm going to be adding some warmth and definition around my forehead, my cheekbones, and my jawline, and also my nose, because this allows it to blend nicely without leaving any patches or any ash lines. I'm a huge blush lover, so I'm going to be adding lots of blush across my cheeks for that fresh, healthy glow, and it brings so much life back into my face after contouring. And I'm going to apply some setting spray to just make sure everything stays locked in, and also this allows your makeup to last longer. Once that dries out, I'm going in with my setting powder to lock everything in place. This powder is very lightweight and it didn't leave my skin looking overly dry. It blended so well, and I was able to build my coverage to my satisfaction. One of my ultimate makeup hacks is to apply setting spray after every step. I promise you, especially if you live in a hot climate, this hack will change your makeup game. Keeping the eyes simple, I'm going to be playing with some warm and neutral shades. I start with the darker shade on the outer edge of my eye, and I just blend that in with more neutral shades. The eyeshadow was very pigmented and it blended so well. For me, I'll say it's an everyday palette that you can elevate when need be. I finished off the rest of my face by adding some mascara and my lip combo, and yeah, that's the finished look. Honestly, I am so impressed. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
I did tell you small, but you know the air one. I did monitor you from my mirror. Cause in my money, I go use bandits. When it costs so money, I did lose my steez. So let me see you anywhere for this country.